Hi everyone, my name is Kangs. Yeah, and I'm here to do a video about YouTube. Some little details about YouTube, how YouTube pays, how do you get paid, how you get eligible to be paid, and some few details. So I'll go straight to the point. So you're not wasting time. Let's get started. First of all, to get eligibility or to be eligible to get or to earn from YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, on your YouTube account or your YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers, and you need 4,000 watch hours. That is in 12 months. That is 1 year. You need around 4,000 watch hours. And also YouTube nowadays, it's you can get paid by shorts, the vertical videos that I think they are 1 minute. For those you need 3 million watch hours. I think is it 90 days, something like that. 3 million watch hours. For that you can have 500 subscribers. Yes, I believe you can be eligible with 500 subscribers. Yes, there's another question. There's a person who asked me, sometimes they see a picture and they have a small YouTube channel like mine, and don't ask me why, because still I'm not earning anything, and I'm not earning because you have not subscribed. Just subscribe so I can. So the guy asked me, they usually see people posting a picture on YouTube, and when they try on their YouTube, they cannot upload a picture. And the reason is you need 500 subscribers for you to put a post like a picture on YouTube. So if you have 500 subscribers, yes, you can upload a picture. Anything else is remaining? I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please subscribe so I can also be paid. Yes, so that I can monetize my YouTube. And one last thing, this one I got from my friend who is a YouTuber. There's one question, like everyone asks, how will I get money from YouTube? How will they pay me? How will they transfer the amount? And once your account is eligible, you are eligible for monetization, YouTube will send you an email. So in the email, there will be guidelines and details. You can link up your bank account, being wherever. If you're Kenyan, I heard you can get paid through M-Pesa. Your normal bank account, whichever the country you are. I think also PayPal, something. Most of trusted what do we call it, banks or money institutions, I think you can link them with their YouTube account and they can transfer your amount. And yes, I just remembered something else. Yes, I had a question like, where do YouTube get this money to pay me or to pay you? So when you're watching videos, sometimes you see some ads coming up. Okay, sometimes you skip them. You should not skip them, because if you watch the ad, the person that will benefit is the guy that you are watching their videos from. So whenever you are watching a certain video, if you like to support that content creator, please watch the video at least 50% of the advert before you skip. If possible, please don't skip the ad so that they can benefit. So that's how YouTube generates revenue to pay the content creators. So for today, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so I can monetize my YouTube account. Thank you.